Welcome everyone again to our Integrative Wellness video series. My name is Dr. Ayelet Connell-Mateo and I'm sitting here with our clinical nutritionist Holly Niles. Thanks for joining us. I would love for you to share with our viewers the difference between classical nutrition or dietetics, as some people know it, and the form of nutrition that you practice, which is functional nutrition.
Yeah, so it's a really great question. Functional medicine is really a medicine that says rather than looking at symptoms, we want to go to the root cause. So the great visual that's often offered is the idea of a tree. So looking at the roots of the tree as the source rather than looking at the leaves of the tree, which are often related as maybe the symptoms or the outcomes for the patient. So what I'm doing in a functional nutrition session is really assessing the whole story, the whole lifestyle of the patient, and not just the fact that maybe when they eat certain foods their stomach doesn't feel great, or maybe they're prone to constipation, or they have joint pain. I'm going to look deeper and say, well, where is that coming from? Why is that part of their symptoms? And looking to get at that root source to correct the problem rather than just sort of treating the symptom, which might be seen as the pain or the discomfort of digestion.
And Holly, can you say a little bit about the use of nutritional supplements as compared to whole foods and how that plays into when you're working with a client?
Yeah, so of course we're always going to use whole foods as our foundation. We know that food really can be medicine. Food inherently contains such a variety of nutrients and fiber and basic minerals, things that are so important for the functionality of the body. But having said that, sometimes we do find that people do need support, and that's where we bring in nutritional supplements. So as a clinical nutritionist, I have access to the finest of nutraceuticals, so very high quality supplements that are researched and that we know are going to give the best outcomes for patients. So often I'll be looking at where do we see imbalances, using again the functional framework to say, do we look at the gut, do we look at digestion, where do we see inflammation? So synergizing that with the diet is how we get our best outcomes.
That's so helpful. Thank you so much, Holly, for joining me. We welcome all of our viewers to watch more of our video series. You can access the Integrative Wellness video series on our website at www.integrativewellnessandpt.com. And for more information about our program at Integrative Wellness and Physical Therapy, you can visit the website, and you can also call our front desk at 860-519-1916. Thank you so much for joining us.